All right, so in level 2s, we're finding missing angles. So what I want you to do is I just want you to try number 3 on your own and see what you can get, knowing what you know already. And then I'll go ahead and walk you through how I got them. So go ahead and pause the video. Okay, so here's how I would go about solving number 3. So this little box down in here, this means that this is a right angle. That's a symbol for angle, and that equals 90 degrees. Okay, so here's what I do. I always look for straight lines first. So this angle is 40, and I know straight lines equal 180 degrees. So that means this angle in here has got to equal 140 for that to add up to 180. The next thing I do is I look for another straight line here. So I know that I have this angle here of 140. So I know that this angle has to equal 40 for that to be a straight line. You could also have used vertical angles for those two, knowing that that's 40 and 40. Okay, next one, I've got 40, and then this angle E, I think that's DC, this angle right here that I'm highlighting, that's going to be 50, because I know if this angle is 90 degrees, then this angle altogether has to be 90 degrees. So that missing one has got to be 50. Okay, lots of different ways to go about doing problems like that, so just put in what you know. All right, number 4. One thing that you do have to know in order to do number 4 is quadrilaterals are going to have 360 degrees. Now, a quadrilateral, that looks like a 0. Sorry. Okay, a quadrilateral is anything that has 4 sides. So like a square, a rectangle, a trapezoid, anything that has 4 sides. Triangles are going to have 180 degrees. Okay, that's anything with 3 sides. So, if I look at this picture here, so again, I look for straight lines. So I got this straight line here. So this is 105. That means this angle is going to be 75 to make 180 degrees. Okay, and then what I have to do is I have to use the fact that these are parallel lines here. You see with those arrows, remember those? Those mean we have parallel lines. So when we have parallel lines, we have some special relationships here. Okay, remember that this angle, and if I extend this line, and this angle are going to be equal. Same thing with the 105 and the W, that's also going to be 105. Okay, now that I have 3 angles in the quadrilateral, I can add those up and subtract from 360 to find out angle Y. Or I could just extend this line here, and I know that 120 is going to be the same as this angle up here by angle D, but it's not going to equal angle Y just yet, because I know that 120 minus 180 is going to equal angle Y. I don't know why it's not writing. Hold on. Angle Y is going to equal 60. All right. Oh, so we finished the problem. All right, go do the practice.